Today we're gonna make this fig and honey goat cheese board. A goat cheese board is a great and easy alternative to making a large charcuterie and meat board before your guests come over. So if you have a small amount of people coming over, this is perfect. So I have 1 log of goat cheese that I left out so it's nice room temperature, easy to spread. You can use any kind of cutting board that you have, make sure it's clean, and we're gonna spread the goat cheese right on top of our cutting board. So with these cheese boards, especially goat cheese, you have a tangy cheese, so they pair really well with some fruit flavors or something sweet. So that's why I love to pair it with goat cheese or honey. You could do blackberries. You could do all different varieties of different items that you can put with goat cheese. You could do prosciutto on top of this, you know, something that will make it, that goes really well with the goat cheese. So I'm spreading out our goat cheese here on our board. And now the fun part is to add our delicious toppings. So we've spread out our goat cheese. Now we're gonna add some toppings. I have fig preserve. Put some of that around. I also have some fresh figs and I'm gonna lay out. I'm all about the way it looks and the presentation. So I love these boards to do right before people come over. So I'm gonna put them in between here. And next we're gonna do some pistachio. Sprinkle these. I love honey with the goat cheese and the fig. So I'm gonna take this, drizzle the honey on top. My final touch is a little black pepper, which is gonna go so well with the honey. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. And you can serve this with some crackers, or I have some toasted baguettes, and this board is ready. For the full recipe, visit NikkiGlekis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.